So in different PDF files, what you may want to do is you may want to go ahead and add in annotations. So that is possible by using ILovePDF. So once you go to ILovePDF.com right here, you can see that Edit PDF is an option. And as you click on it right here, you can go ahead and select out a PDF that you want to add the annotation to. So you can go around over here and let's say I'm going to go around and choose the sample file and click on open right here just like this. And as I do that, you can see that this is what you have. So over here on the top, you can see that you have an edit option right here just like this. And then you got an annotate option right here just like this, as you can see. So you can go ahead and choose the option you want. And in our case, we want to annotate. So here there are different ways that you can annotate. But before that, let's just go ahead and see. You can go around over here onto next page or previous page right here. You can zoom in and zoom out. And then you can go around over here onto the setting to see double pages of PDF right here and see the cover page and everything else right here. So you can change the layout and everything, and you can see the thumbnail over here on the left as well. So now if I were to go ahead and let's say zoom in, this is what you have. As you can see, you can go around over here and then navigate around in the document. So around over here, you can go ahead and use the drag tool to click and drag the image right here, left, right, and so forth right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can go around on to add text. And then what you can do is you can go around over here, add text right here, just like this, and then go ahead and type in the content as you want right here. So you can go ahead and click and drag this out, double click and type in whatever you want. And you can go ahead and change around the text color of this as well, just like this. You can go ahead and bold it. You can go ahead and increase the size of it right here, resize this out to change around the text section right here. You can even go ahead and change around, let's say, the text, the font right here, the size right here. You can italicize it, underline it, and you can even go ahead and add in a background color as you want right here. If you have multiple lines of text, let's say for example right here just like this, so I can go around over here and let's say for example paste this out right here. I can go ahead and select out all and center align it right here or right align it as you want as well. So these are all added out as annotation, and you can go ahead and change around the opacity of the annotation as well right here. So apart from that, you can even go ahead and add in image, as you can see right here as annotation. Place it wherever you want. Whenever you're working around with annotation, what happens is that you're not changing the actual content of the document, but you're only adding in contents on top of the existing content right here. You can go ahead and draw similarly right here, change around the size of the text brush right here just like this, and add it and add in different shapes as you want right here just like this as well. So here is a shape. You can go ahead and change around the color of the shape right here, so forth. You can rotate out the shape right here just like this as well. And as you do all of the edits right here, you can go ahead and click on Save Changes. And as you do that, what happens is that all of the changes will be saved. And then you can go ahead and download out the annotated PDF file right here, just like this. And this is basically what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and edit out PDF annotations as you like inside of ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.